iPhone battery replacement cost. Phonebulance.com. Hey guys, welcome back to Phonebulance, and in today's video, we discuss how to go about replacing your iPhone battery and how much it'll set you back. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to support our channel. Okay, let's do this thing. Nothing lasts forever, and modern electronics are not built to last. Sure, when you first got your new iPhone, the battery lasts forever. Games and apps opened instantly. Everything worked great. Then slowly over time, you found yourself carrying a pocket charger around with you. That overnight charge didn't even last the full next day. The team at Phonebulance discussed whether your iPhone needs a new battery in our last video. If you haven't checked it out, go take a look right now. But today, take the journey with us as we travel from the realm of the why should I into the unknown of the how do I. If you have a relatively new iPhone, odds are the battery will be fine. Even an older model should have a decent enough battery in it, so long as it hasn't been damaged, abused, or overcharged in its life. But let's start off by taking a trip down memory lane and look at the controversial history of the humble iPhone battery before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to fix it. It's all about the ions. So how can a device so small and so powerful be powered by a single battery smaller than your wallet? Well, just like any battery, it stores electrical potential energy as chemicals, who undergo a reaction, releasing electricity as a result. Electricity is, after all, just a flowing stream of electrons. In the case of the lithium-ion battery inside your phone, this reaction can be reversed. The battery is rechargeable, as electrons from your wall socket replenish the chemical reactions contained within the battery. But as we said, nothing lasts forever. A lithium-ion battery like this generally has around 500 charge cycles across its lifespan before it'll start to degrade, generally around the 2-year-old mark. You can easily check how your battery is faring in the Settings app of your iPhone. We explained how to use the battery health check in the settings in our last video. Make sure you check it out. The Slowgate controversy. Back in 2017, Apple came under fire when it came out that they were purposely slowing down older model iPhones. iOS updates throttled the power, hampering the performance of older models. Apple did not disclose this performance downgrade to its customers, and the whole thing looked shady, a bit too cloak and dagger. The company line was that the older batteries were dangerous if depleted beyond a certain range, and they're not wrong either. They also tried to combat the device suddenly shutting down when a surge of power was required for a complex task. By reducing the power to the processor and other components, the shutdown due to the overdraw of power was avoided. Whether Apple did this to intentionally deceive customers into thinking they needed a new iPhone due to their old one being too slow, or genuinely wanted to prolong the lives of old batteries and make them safe for use, well, we'll let you be the judge. Going back to the source. In light of the Slowgate scandal, Apple offered extremely discounted battery replacements for older models for a year, but that time has since been and gone. Even so, the best advice we can probably give you is just getting Apple to replace the battery. It's actually quite reasonably priced and won't cost you the world, and at least you know it'll be done properly. The benefits are that you know you're getting a genuine battery, and not some cheap knockoff. Also, the water-resistant capabilities of your phone will be maintained, as Apple will also replace the glue and seals removed during battery exchange. If your iPhone is still under warranty, covered by consumer law, or you have Apple Care Plus, your battery will be replaced free of charge. Some iPhone 6 and 6S models are even still eligible for a free replacement. iPhone 6 through 8 will set you back $49, where new X and 11 will cost $69. Going to a third party. Look, we won't lie to you. A mobile phone repair store will replace that battery much cheaper than at Apple. Typically, it'll be about 2/3 of the price, give or take. We will say this, however, you're at the mercy of any warranty the store offers, and that's if they will even honor it. If you're going to a third-party repairer and it's not Phonebulance, do your homework beforehand. DIY phone repair. If you're really strapped for cash, you can change the battery yourself. It's not ideal as iPhones are compact, complex pieces of kit, and there's a lot more involved than unplugging an old battery and plugging a new one in. It's nothing like changing the battery in an old Nokia, for example. One thing's for certain, DIY battery replacements will absolutely affect the integrity of any waterproofing your iPhone has. There are plenty of step-by-step video tutorials on tech sites such as iFixit, and replacement batteries are sold as a kit, including all the tools you'll need to perform the most delicate of electrical surgeries. This option will cost you less than half of what Apple charges. But just to reiterate, we don't recommend you do this, as any damage done to your phone will result in bigger costs should you need to fix or replace it. And that just about wraps things up for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and let us know in the comments if you're having trouble with your Apple iPhone battery. Will you attempt to replace it yourself? Let us know. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share this video if you want to support our channel. See you next time.